Hey, what's up, you guys? Adrian Williams again, back with another video. In today's video, we're going to talk about how to make extra money from home legitimately. All right. So, a lot of you guys probably have found me from YouTube, my email list, Instagram, etc. But wherever you found me from, welcome. I'm glad you're here, and we're going to talk about the way that a lot of people, including myself, are making an extra income from home legitimately. There's no scams, no fluff, no hype. This is a 100% legitimate way that I am creating an income from home. And as you guys can see inside of this group, it's about 6,600 other people are also doing the same exact thing. Now, it's numerous of different ways to create an income from home, but in my experience and me doing my research, I found that the cheapest, the most affordable, and the most quickest way that I was able to start generating an extra income from home was simply posting ads on social media. If you guys are on social media, I'm pretty sure you see ads like this right here all the time where people are just posting results, people are posting about their opportunity, and they are getting results. Now, a lot of you all, when you probably see these type of advertisements, you just scroll right past them. Now, these are not paid advertising. These are 100% free advertising that you can start posting on your social media as soon as today. And believe it or not, more often than none, people generate thousands of dollars doing this exact process. It's just repetition. Now, a lot of you all would like to start making an extra income, but you have probably some limited beliefs. Possibly this won't work for me. Maybe I'm not smart enough. Maybe I'm not tech savvy enough. But the truth be told, it's really not that complex. You don't have to be tech savvy to start this. You don't have to be, a college graduate or, a graduate from Harvard and anything to start generate these type of results. Only thing you have to do is really change your belief system, change your mindset. If you see other people are able to do this, then you can do it too. It's not rocket science. If you see the people that promote and get these type of results, you will see that they are regular people like you and I. Look at Diana 10 hours ago, just generated $500 within 24 hours. How would that change your life? If you was able to do this at will, if you were able to be sleep and wake up and you see that you got that type of commissions came in your account, like that would be life changing. For a lot of people, not including me, like for a lot of people. So, and this is happening on a daily basis. They're constantly inviting people to the group, and people are constantly, upgrading and buying into the program. Here's another person that just received a $300 commission because Gwenda upgraded to the pro level. So again, like this is not rocket science. You have people of all ages doing this. You have people of all backgrounds that are doing this. You know, it is really not complex. It's a lot simpler than a lot of the programs and things that I've seen online about how to generate an extra income from home. If you have the willpower to succeed, if you have a little bit of ambition and dedication, then you can start doing this exact same thing. Don't doubt yourself. Don't feel like, again, you have to be some type of Harvard graduate to get this. Regular people are doing this. Regular people. Let's scroll and see a few more other people. Look at Rebecca. She just made $300 10 hours ago. And this is ongoing. This is ongoing. 3 hours ago. Jerry just made $100. Someone came in under the elite level. Do you think you can post ads like this on social media? Like, how hard is that to post these type of advertisements on social media? If you really want to change your life, if you really want to start generating an extra income, most people, will scroll past this and be like, oh man, this ain't gonna work before they even try it. Me personally, in my years of being on this earth, I learned to never knock anything unless I tried it. Just because it may not work for one person or another person might have limited beliefs, I learned to apply myself to anything that I felt like I could do, and it's paid off for me. But that's because I believe in myself. That's because I believe that I can do these things, and obviously not just me. Look at this person, $750 in a day. Like, how many people paycheck is this? You know, if you don't apply yourself to nothing, you will never discover who you really are. If you don't apply yourself and strive to be the best person you can be, you will never discover who you are. You will always be trapped in a box, and then like in like a little cubicle, trying to figure out who I really am. What am I really capable of? Is that how you want to live the rest of your life? I'm the type of person, I don't like to live my life with no regret. I don't want to live in regret. So I apply myself daily to anything that I feel like I can do. I reach for the stars on a daily basis because I know that if it can happen for other people, it can happen for me. And if you feel the same way, then apply yourself. If you like to, guys would like to know more about how I'm able to generate $300 on a consistent basis, simply posting ads on social media, and not only myself, how all these other people, 6,000 people, are inside of this group. So you know that ain't nothing scammy about this. And these are professional people. You can look at their photos, you see that they are professional people that are doing this. 23 hours ago, Gina, she just got a $300 payment. So again, you guys, if you want to know more about how to change your life, how to be able to step away from your 9 to 5, how to just make an extra income on the side to support you and your family, to be able to have extra time, extra freedom, and not having to go in on the weekends or days where you really have off and leaving your family left behind because you have to, go out and spend majority of your day working for somebody else and doing what somebody else tells you to do. You missing. I've missed out on a lot of years of my kids' life growing up because I had to go through the exact same thing. And I know what a lot of you all are going through. And I'm telling you that if you apply yourself, if you chase your dreams, you can achieve what you believe. You just have to have the right mentor. You just have to have the right opportunity. And you just have to have the right mindset. So with that being said, I'm Adrian Williams for signing out this video, and I'll see you guys on the next. Peace.